What's up, y'all? We back at it again with another video. This video today is how to style IKEA bucket hat. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned. Before we get into the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. Share this to everybody that you know. All right, let's get into it. Let's go. Right here is, I bet you a lot of y'all didn't even know IKEA had a bucket hat. So here's the bucket hat. Basically, it's their recyclable shopping bag. You know the ones when you go in the store, you put your little items in. But I'm not even mad at them. They flipped it, made a little coin, said, let me make more things with them. Let me step into a little fashion. And they did that with this bucket hat, which I kind of like it. It's very reasonable. I got mine offline. I think you can get them in the store too. So go ahead and get your own. It's crunchy, just like the shopping bag. But I like it got the liner in it. So you're not like sweating under the sun. So it got the liner so you keep a little moisture, keep it a little dry. It is definitely fashionable. It's their colors, you know, their logos, blue and yellow. But I like it because it's reasonable, because it's fashionable and it's different. Whoever thought IKEA would come out with a fashion line? And they did. I think it's cool. They definitely flipped the coin. They said, I'm not going to waste these recyclable bags. Let me make it to something different, something fashionable. I'm not surprised if they'll come out with more fashion lines. I don't know what they can do, but I can see them doing it. If more people buy these hats and start wearing it, they definitely going to come out with more items. And this was, let me see. I think it was like $3.99 or something like that. So they not like, which goes with their motto, they're not trying to break the bank. So, which is cool. This crunching is the only thing that I don't like. But what can you do? It's not annoying though, but when you put it on your head, it's not crunchy when you put it on your head and you're wearing it. It's only crunchy when you play with it. So, other than that, it's pretty cool. But I'm going to show you how you can style it. You can go from dressy to comfortable to casual. I'm going to give it all to you. So, watch these videos. Check me out. I'm giving you a 360 view of the button up with the jean shorts and the IKEA bucket hat. You see it. I chose to play around with the colors. That's why I have the floral button up, the yellow, and then got a little bit of blue in there go with the hat. And I kept it simple with the bottoms with the jean shorts. And you can't forget the sneakers. So I put on white sneakers to go with the lay. This right here can be an everyday look if you like to wear button-ups. And you can rock your IKEA bucket hat with it. Alright, right here, I dressed it up a little bit, gave you a preppy look with the white button up this time with the yellow khaki shorts and the clear frames to give you something different to play with. Can't forget the footwear. I kept it simple. I try to keep it in the family with the yellow and the blue. So I just got on some easy slide-in, slip-on yellow shoes. for everybody that like to be comfy, I didn't forget about you. Here you got on the blue, yellow, and white sweat shorts with the white tee that go well with the bucket hat as well. Got the white slides to match. Check me out. The white, the yellow, the blue, all staying in the same family. Alright, here's another look for you. I'll give you another option. Got the blue long sleeve with the yellow sweatpants. Still staying in the same family with the colors. If you pay attention, you notice I keep playing around with the bucket hat. I flip it up a little bit on one side or in the front or the back. That's different other ways that you can style the bucket hat. You don't gotta always wear it regular. All right, y'all. What did y'all think of the looks? I gave 4 looks. I went from dressy, casual, comfy. I gave it all. So everybody got their own look, their own style, and you should be able to find one of them that fits with you. And that's what I tried to do in this video. Would y'all even buy this hat? Let me know in the comments. And if you would look, and also let me know what look you like. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video out to everybody you know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We got to get more viewers. We got to get more subscribers. I can get more videos out to you. And don't forget one more thing. Follow me on Instagram at Vanessa B _. I'm going to leave it down in the description box, but that's Vanessa B _. Follow me on Instagram. And thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. I really do. Until next time, peace.